Welcome to our January 2018 newsletter. I'm Katharina Spurling-Kaffl, the wife of the late Slim Spurling, the creator of the Light Life Tools, and I'm also CEO of IXL International GmbH, who distributes the Light Life Tools in Europe together with our distributors. Now, I don't know if you have any goals for this year, but I am sure whatever you're planning and whatever this year is presenting to you, our Light Life Tools may be of great support in achieving your goals and have you enjoying a smooth and wonderful year. So, if you're speaking German, please come to my next workshop, February 3rd, in Hundham, Fischbachau, that is south of Munich. And if you don't speak German but have German friends, please share the newsletter with them and let them know about it. And if you are interested in me coming to your community to teach about the Light Life Tools in English, I would be more than happy to do that. But please contact me soon because we are planning our workshops now. Whatever you're doing, I wish you a wonderful 2018.